I keep seeing Squarespace on YouTube more and more. It has exploded in popularity thanks to its stunning designs and ease of use. And since the platform had plenty of updates throughout 2025, plus a lot more to come, I was like, hey, I gotta do my own fresh Squarespace review and answer for all of you whether it's really worth using in 2026. Let's find out. Squarespace website design is what has largely built the platform's reputation. It offers more than 190 professionally designed templates, all organized into clear categories. These Squarespace templates cover a wide range of use cases, from creative portfolios and blogs to fully functional online stores. So you're going to find one for your site, no problem whatsoever. Now, what I love about Squarespace the most is the visual quality of these templates. I mean, just look at them. The layouts are clean, modern, and carefully balanced, with strong typography and spacing that makes sites look premium instantly. Many of them not only feel award-winning, but actually are, which means you can launch a website that looks professionally designed without having to customize much at all. So if you want a website that looks this good, I mean, why wait? Just grab the best Squarespace discount from the description or scan this QR code and get to work. And if you think it's going to be too difficult, no. Really, it won't. Easy use is another Squarespace strength. It has a clean, well-organized dashboard. The sidebar gives quick access to pages, design, commerce, marketing, and analytics, while the top bar keeps settings handy, and setting up a basic site is quick and easy. Now, besides templates, Squarespace offers Blueprint. That's an AI-guided setup that helps you choose which sections to include from the start. For me, it's less of a true AI website builder and more of an onboarding tool. So I still prefer starting with a template, since that's Squarespace's real strength, though, because, I mean, they look so great with the balanced colors and the fonts. So most of the time, you just need to add your own images and text. Now, the editor is super simple to use as well. Squarespace Fluid Engine is a no-code website builder that uses drag and drop controls for pretty much everything, including text, images, and buttons. And adding a headline, uploading visuals, or rearranging sections just couldn't be any easier. If you find a builder where it's simpler, let me know in the comments. Anyway, you can also rely on pre-made layouts for galleries, testimonials, forms, or even an online store. And once you add a page, the Pages menu keeps everything organized, with new pages automatically added to navigation. I mean, Squarespace just looks great and is beginner friendly. It guides you through building a professional website, making it an excellent choice if it's your first website. And that doesn't mean that Squarespace lacks features or functionality. It packs a surprisingly strong set of built-in tools, which is impressive for any best website builder, especially since it mainly targets creators and small businesses. It's amazing for e-commerce if you just need to sell a few things or set up appointments. Okay, maybe we shouldn't compare Shopify versus Squarespace, but the tools you get with Squarespace are well optimized for small to medium stores, letting you sell physical products, digital downloads, and even services without extra setup. So managing orders is beginner friendly too. You can adjust discounts, customer notifications, and product statuses with just a few clicks. Now, that said, transaction fees vary by plan, so I recommend checking them out before committing. Now, marketing is solid for a platform that isn't purely an e-commerce builder. It includes built-in email campaigns, basic search engine optimization features, and even an option to hire a personal assistant if you need SEO done professionally. Not that the basic setup is bad. There's also an analytics dashboard, which provides clear insights into traffic, engagement, and sales. Meanwhile, the purchase funnel view shows how visitors move through your site, which pages they visit, and how long they stay before buying. But if you want Google Analytics, the integration is also available. So talking more about Squarespace integrations, it isn't as open as WordPress, but it does support around 100 integrations and plugins, including all the most popular tools like Amazon for affiliate tracking or Stripe for easy payments. If you want to create social media content, you're going to love the Unfold app. It helps you make stylish stories and posts using professional templates. And by the way, if you're a creative, you can even make money with Squarespace templates yourself. So yes, Squarespace is packed with features, but you know what? It keeps adding more. For example, tools like Squarespace Beacon AI for business automation, and design boosters like Finish Layer were just added recently. And there's more to come. You can always check out the latest updates on the Squarespace refresh page. All right, with everything Squarespace offers, including the best design, powerful features, and built-in functionality, you'd expect Squarespace pricing to be sky high, but that's really not the case. Compared with other premium builders like Wix or Shopify, Squarespace is actually better priced and often gives small businesses even more value with hosting, award-winning templates, built-in SEO tools, and full e-commerce capabilities. All included in a single subscription, no hidden add-ons, no massive renewal price jumps. So to make sure you get the best deal though, use my discount link in the description. There are 4 plans to choose from. The basic plan is perfect if you just want a functional, professional looking site. If you're planning to sell products or services, the core plan is probably the sweet spot, unlocking all e-commerce features and advanced analytics at a minimal cost increase. Now, if you're serious about selling, the Plus or even Advanced plan could be worth it, giving you the most powerful tools that Squarespace has to offer without overpaying for extras that you don't need. All right, let's wrap up the Squarespace Review 2026. So, is Squarespace worth it in 2026? Well, if you're a beginner or a creative who wants a stunning website, it's going to be hard to find a better fit than Squarespace. It's the easiest website builder to get the best looking website without designers' involvement. And if that's what you're after, just go grab my discount from the description and have a go at it. I'm sure you're going to do great. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Later.